Bad car thermostat symptoms. The engine of an automobile is the most expensive to fix. A 4-cylinder engine running at 2,000 revolutions per minute has 15 explosions per second in each cylinder. This generates a great deal of heat. The thermostat needs to be in perfect working order for the engine to run efficiently. In the long run, irreparable engine damage might be avoided by changing a thermostat in a timely manner. Well, in this video, we'll uncover some of the most common, unknown symptoms of a bad car thermostat. In addition, we'll look at the most common causes of a bad car thermostat, how often you should replace it, and the replacement cost for it. So, let's dive in. What are the symptoms of a bad car thermostat? 1. Strange engine noises. As your car's engine starts to overheat, a broken thermostat may also prevent coolant from flowing, which can result in rumbling sounds. 2. An abnormally high temperature reading. The engine of a car may overheat due to a number of causes, including a cooling system leak, a blocked cooling system conduit, or a broken thermostat. To let the right amount of coolant into the engine, the thermostat opens and closes. The engine will overheat because the flow of coolant will be interrupted by a faulty thermostat that is stuck in the closed position. 3. A coolant leak. If your thermostat is installed incorrectly, it won't work. Reinstall your thermostat if you notice coolant leaking on or around the mounting surface of your car. 4. Buildup of deposits and rust. It helps to have some experience with your car's engine to recognize this symptom. When inspecting the engine cooling system of your car, if you see that the thermostat is rusty or blocked, your thermostat may soon fail. 5. Engine not working properly. The thermostat may not be preventing coolant admission to your engine if your car's engine is operating at a lesser capacity than typical. It's possible that the thermostat is stuck open. What causes a car thermostat to go bad? A bad car thermostat can be brought on by a variety of factors, including a broken water pump, a slack water pump belt, a cooling system leak, a collapsed radiator line, and a clogged and failing radiator. Before we explore how often to replace your car thermostat, a crucial topic for all car owners, why don't you join our automotive community? Smash that subscribe button right now so you won't miss any of our expert advice. Now, let's get back to unlocking the secrets of thermostat maintenance. How often should you replace your car thermostat? The radiator in an automobile won't always stop working. However, after 10 years, the majority of automotive specialists advise replacing your car thermostat. But this is an optimistic figure. It doesn't often take a thermostat a decade to stop operating. Harsh weather, severe driving, and defective engine or thermostat parts are a few causes of an early thermostat failure. If the thermostat develops a problem, you should either have it checked out or have it replaced as soon as possible. Engine overheating brought on by a neglected thermostat issue can quickly reduce engine performance. Maintenance schedules must be set in order to lengthen the life of auto parts. How much does a car thermostat cost? Depending on the automobile model and labor expenses, replacing a thermostat typically costs between $70 and $450. A thermostat typically costs $20 to $50, while a workshop's labor charges range from $50 to $400. It may not be possible to replace the thermostat alone in some vehicles since the thermostat is integrated into the entire housing. Thank you for joining us in today's discussion on the symptoms of a bad car thermostat and how often you should replace it. We've covered crucial information to help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable automotive tips and insights. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.